Hello, this video takes you through the steps you need to take to enable intuitive dashboards for Papercut Hive. The first step you need to complete is to log in as an administrator to Papercut Hive and navigate to their add-on screen. Here you will find a tab for Data and Analytics, and the Intuitive BI connector. Click on the connector to learn more about its functionality. There is a helpful video and description which explains how the connector works. The connector is free of charge, although we do charge software licenses for the dashboard software itself. Click Add and then accept the terms and conditions. On the connection screen, you should take a copy of the connection string, as you will need this during the software installation process. The next step is to obtain a copy of the dashboard software. You should do this either by contacting your Papercut reseller, or if you don't know who your Papercut reseller is, please use the contact form and we will direct your inquiry to them. Once you have obtained the software, it is a step-by-step process to install using the installation wizard. The software requires a Windows environment, which can be desktop, server, or hosted. Many of the options are predefined. When we get to the Papercut Hive configuration screen, we paste in our unique connection string that we copied from Papercut. In order to complete the installation, you will need to configure IIS. Please refer to the user manual for details of how to complete this step. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Intuitive Dashboards through your web browser.